How to block someone on Microsoft Teams. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams in just few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Teams app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, make sure that you are in the chat tab. If you aren't, you can simply tap on the chat icon shown in the bottom left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the chat section, simply open or go to the any conversation thread of a person that you want to block. And now here, once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the person name at the top of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply tap on more option. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can simply tap on block contact. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on Microsoft Teams. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.